Start by downloading a case-bound book template that matches the size you need for your project. Open the template and find the Pages tab on the right side of the screen. Select Page 2, click on the Edit Page Size icon and choose Custom. Adjust the width property to match the required spine size highlighted on the product page, then click OK. Now drag Page 2 to attach it to Page 1. Repeat this step for Page 3 to create a complete flat book cover. Add your design to the artwork layer in the template, making sure to provide enough bleed for the cover's wraparound portion. Once happy with your design, switch off the guide layer and then export your file as a high-quality PDF. Select the Spreads option, then tick Use Document Bleed Settings and hit Export. After exporting, open the PDF file to double-check that everything has been exported correctly. And that's it! Your file is now ready to be uploaded for printing.